Pranam everyone, this is episode 4 of Learn Maithili with This is Mithila, and today we are going to be learning about some Maithili words. So as we have already covered a lot of words in our earlier episodes, so I have just made a list of some random words जिसे हम देखेंगे कि मैथिली में कैसे कहते हैं. So the words that we usually use to respond like yes and no are हाँ and नहीं in Maithili. I repeat it again, हाँ is for yes and नहीं is for no. See, दखी, देखी, दखी, one and the same thing. Big, बड़का या पैग. Small, छोटका या छोट. Good, नीक. Something, किच या किचो. Many or very, bud. Sometimes, कखनो. And more. R and arrow. For and we will be using R, and for more, arrow. Both, dunno. Here and there, atta and utta. We have already done. If you do not remember, please watch the earlier episodes. Right now, ikhan. New, knob या नबका. Old, पुरान या पुरन का. Angry, tamas. In sentence, usually tamsal. Upset, rus. To be upset is rusnai, and if somebody is upset, you will say rusal. Costly, mohag या बेसी दाम. Cheap, सस्ता या तो कम दाम. Maybe, बहुत सुके छे. नहीं हो बहुत सुके छे, may not be. Too many, बड बेसी. Like, बड बेसी शब्द. Village, गाम. Work, काज. बड काजे चलो bye bye. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Hope you liked the video, and we will continue with rest of the words in the next class. Hopefully this time not after 4 months. And keep learning, keep practicing, and if you have any comments, questions, doubt, queries, don't forget to put them down in the comments below. Dhanyavad.